Join me as I take on the challenge of living a day just like Prophet Muhammad and see what insights and changes come from it. Prophet Muhammad is a shining example of a life well lived, and his principles and values are still incredibly relevant today. He was a compassionate leader, a devoted father, and a humble servant of God, and his life is a testament to the power of living a life of purpose and meaning. One of the key practices of Prophet Muhammad's life was his commitment to compassion and community service. He was a champion of the poor, the marginalized, and the oppressed, and he spent his life serving others and fighting for justice. He was a fierce advocate for the rights of women, children, and minorities, and he worked tirelessly to create a more just and equitable society. He was a true servant leader, and his life is a testament to the power of compassion and empathy. Prophet Muhammad was also a master of mindfulness and self-reflection. He was a man of few words, but when he spoke, his words were like gold. He was a deep thinker, and he spent hours in contemplation and prayer. He was a man of great wisdom, and his insights and teachings are still guiding millions of people around the world today. Living like Prophet Muhammad has the potential to transform our lives and our communities. It has the potential to bring us closer together, to bridge the gaps between us, and to create a more just and equitable society. It has the potential to bring us closer to God, to ourselves, and to each other. It has the potential to change the world. So what do you think? Are you ready to take on the challenge of living like Prophet Muhammad? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other videos on related topics.